you have a motorbike and you are only using it for Boda Boda, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Your motorbike can make you a lot of money even if you're not carrying passengers. And there is one method that can give you passive income daily. In this video, I will show you 10 smart ways that you can use to make money with your motorbike. Make sure you watch till the end because I will share a bonus idea that most riders ignore but makes consistent money. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, we talk about one thing: making money. If this is the type of content you enjoy, go ahead and like this video. Drop a comment in the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. Like I always say, subscribing is absolutely free. You can also do well to share this video, and let me show you exactly how smart riders are making money in a better and smarter way. Stay with me. The first smart way that you can use your Boda Boda is parcel and delivery services. How many online businesses are around you right now? Many. There are clothes sellers, there are shoe vendors, and also there are food vendors, just to mention a few. All these people have one big problem, which is delivering items to customers, and that is where you can come in. So, instead of waiting for passengers, go directly to these businesses and tell them that you are a delivery person and that for any delivery they should call you and you are very fast and reliable. You can start small with one boutique and one food vendor and then grow. If you can charge 100 to 200 shillings per delivery and do 10 deliveries in a day, that is 1,000 to 2,000 Kenyan shillings without stress of passengers. And the best part is, these are repeat clients. You can even get your regular clients if you have small parcels. The second smart way that you can use your Boda Boda is food delivery or errand runner. People are busy and they don't have time to move around. You can make money by delivering lunch to offices, buying items from the supermarket for clients, and running small errands. Just position yourself as the guy who gets things done fast. The secret here is trust, because once someone trusts you, they stop looking for other riders. They call you every time, and that is how you build daily income. The third smart way that you can be able to use your Boda Boda is distributing farm produce. Farm produce distribution. This works very well if you are near rural areas. You can transport things like eggs, milk, vegetables, and even chicken from the farms to the hotels, markets, or even homes. And this is not just a hustle. It can become your real business. Let's say you collect eggs from a farmer at 300 Kenyan shillings per tray. Then you sell to shops at 350 Kenyan shillings. That is already 50 shillings profit per tray. So if you can be able to supply 20 trays daily, that's 1,000 Kenyan shillings profit per day. And your motorbike is doing all the work. Same applies to milk, vegetables, and chicken. And this is how small hustles become big businesses. You can also use your motorbike to do water and gas delivery. For example, many people come home tired and exhausted after the long day at work. And to make things worse, they find that the gas is finished and there is no water in the house. It is stressful for them because they are already tired. And this is a problem so many homes are facing. So this is where you can come in with your motorbike and solve this problem. In other words, you make money by solving people's problems. You can offer water delivery straight to their door and gas refill and delivery services. Make it simple for them. You ask us to deliver and they pay. The secret here is convenience. They're not just paying for the water and the gas. They're paying to avoid stress, and once you become reliable, they will be calling you again and again. And that is how you can turn a simple service into a daily income. The other smart way that you can be able to use your motorbike is becoming a mobile mechanic. If you have a basic mechanic skill, this one is gold. Breakdowns can happen anytime, and so you can help stranded riders. You can help stranded riders by delivering spare parts quickly. So if you can show up fast and help them, they will pay without arguing. You don't even need to be a full mechanic. Just learn basic repairs or partner with a mechanic. Just by delivering spare parts quickly can earn you good money, because emergency services is equivalent to high pay. The other smart way that you can use your motorbike is starting your own courier brand. Start your own courier brand. Level up. This is where you stop being just a rider. Give yourself a name, something like Mombasa Express Delivery, Quick Fix Riders. Print for yourself a simple reflector jacket. Post it on WhatsApp group, something like fast delivery within 30 minutes. By doing that, people can see you as a business and not as a Boda Boda guy. And all that changes everything. The seventh smart way that you can use your Boda Boda is laundry pickup. This one is powerful because many people are busy and they don't have that time to even do laundry. So, your job can be to pick up dirty clothes. Take them to the laundry shop and then return them to the owners when they are clean. Or partner with a laundry business. Your work is simple. Yours is just to pick, deliver, and get paid. This is very easy and it has high demand in estates. Just a minute. Have you liked the video? If you have not liked it, please go ahead and like it. And also, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The other smart way that you can be able to use your Boda Boda is construction delivery. Delivering construction materials, not the bulk ones. Construction sites are always active and they are always in need of something urgent. They are always in need of tools, cement or other materials urgently, and they always don't have that time to leave the site. So if you can position yourself near construction areas, you can become their go-to delivery guy. And these jobs, they always come repeatedly. The ninth way that you can be able to use your Boda Boda smartly or your motorbike smartly is school runs, and let it be short distance. Those parents that their kids go to schools that doesn't have a school bus, or parents who cannot afford school transport, they will always need help taking their kids to school. And so with your motorbike, you can pick and drop kids. Work with families in your area. This will give you a daily predictable income. Just make sure safety comes first and you build trust with parents. The 10th smart way that you can be able to use your Boda Boda is advertising on your motorbike. If your bike is always moving, why not make it advertise? Visit companies and let them know that you are advertising on your motorbike. Because companies love visibility, and trust me, they will pay you to promote them. You can put stickers for businesses on your motorbike. You can also wear branded jackets for companies. Yeah, trust me, you'll always earn money while doing your normal work. And here comes the bonus idea. Rent your motorbike. Rent out your motorbike if you don't want to ride every day. You can give it to another rider and then you agree on daily payment. For example, you can agree that the rider pays you 300 to 500 per day. And that means that you earn money even if you are at home. And this is how you can turn your bike into a passive income machine. So as you can see, your motorbike is not just for Boda Boda. It is a business tool. The secret is simple. Stop thinking like a rider and start thinking like a business owner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and comment motorbike money if you're ready to start. Don't forget to watch any of these 2 videos showing on your screen, and trust me, they will be of help. Thank you and see you in the next video.